All right. So the last one, number 10, is how much did the gurus earn before selling the course? There's a lot of numbers. This goes back to the first one and the second. There's a lot of numbers that are thrown in your face, and pay attention to that. When there's a lot of huge numbers in the thumbnail of the YouTube, like all of a sudden it's like, wow, that's so capturing. Don't let that be the reason that you jump into things, right? Or how about this one? When they just start flashing money right there. Oh, what is that? Or when you see these gurus, again, they're showing you their car. They're showing you, oh, look at all this money I made. You know what? There's a saying I used to remember in the barbershop. The one who always pulled out his wallet and it was wad cash of money. Talk about, so how much is it? Man, put your rent money back. Like, what are you doing? Like, why do you wad of cash? Wad. Like, yeah, that money ain't a problem. Let's go. That person's very insecure. Like, why do you need to do that? Why do you need to show off? Why do you need to peacock so much? Do you see rich folks do that? Nah. They're very under the radar, quiet. That's how they are. So don't fall into that. Don't fall into that. Be very careful. A lot of the times, those who are selling their courses, the money that they're earning is probably true. It's just that they're not earning it based on what they're selling you. So if they're telling you, come and buy my course that talks about cryptocurrency or talks about drop shipping or talks about this, or whatever it is that it talks about, that's not how they became millionaires. They probably became millionaires based on the course that they're selling, the actual education itself. Now, remember, I am also going to create a course, but that money is not going to be my main driver. It's going to be something where it's automated for those and purposely for those which cannot afford our services. Because it's not fair for you, just because you don't have the budget in order to afford our agency, it's not fair for you that you don't get that knowledge. Well, here's the video of showing you everything that you basically need and how you need to go about it in order to get the assets that you need to perhaps hire us. You don't have to hire us, to perhaps hire us or hire another agency. It doesn't matter, as long as you get the knowledge, because those who hired us already have that knowledge. They're coming in knowing already. And they're like, look, we got the money and we got the knowledge. Look, this is what we need. We're ready. Right? So with us, we're like, no, if we're going to create a course for you guys, it's so that you guys are trained fundamentally on the essentials, on the basics for what you need, right? But when you got these gurus that they're not giving you any gems, they're not giving you any strong values, they're not giving you snippets, they're not giving you anything. All they do is just flash, flash, flash. Priority number one, flash, flash. It doesn't have to be that way. Trust your gut on it, right? How much money really did they make prior to selling the book? That's what you really need to pay attention to. All right, guys, I hope you like this type of topic. If you like these types of business advice, as always, I always recommend you to please go ahead and comment down below and let me know which one of these helped you the most. And also, you can tell me which one you don't believe in. You're like, I don't believe in this too much, which is perfectly fine. All I ask really is, hey, just participate, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. And of course, until next time, thank you.